Hi, welcome back to my channel Chaalchakra. Today in this video, I'm going to share what is going to happen with the Pisces moon sign and the Lagna in 2025. 25 is a very good year because this is a year where huge changes is going to happen in every individual's life. And in this video, I'm going to share what is going to happen with the Pisces people in 2025. This particular prediction is based on the moon sign and the Lagna or the ascendant. If your moon sign is Pisces or your Lagna or the ascendant is Pisces, then this particular prediction is for you. The 2025 is a year where four major planet movement being seen, that is Rahu, Ketu, Jupiter and Shani. And when these four major planet placement take place, then it will have a huge shift in person's life. So if you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us. In this video, I'm only going to share only the positive things that is going to happen with the Pisces people in 2025. And in the next video, I'm going to share mixed prediction because each and every planet have some positive impact in our life and some negative. So in this video, only the positive predictions being seen, being shared. And in the next video, I'm going to share all the predictions that is positive as well as the negative that is going to happen with you in 2025. So 2025 from 21st of January, Mars is going to sit in your 4th house, which is a good time if you want to purchase a new property, or if you are stuck, if you are stuck in any legal case, or if you want to start a construction of your existing house, then this is a very good time. That there is a high possibility that you will be able to purchase your own property. You can start the construction of your house, and if you are looking to sell out the old property also, then also it is a good time. It is seen that after 4th of February, more clarity of mind, you will be more energetic, more passionate. This is a good time to start to learn something new, add on new skills, and this particular skill is going to pay off. Your hard work is going to pay off during this time. Till 31st of May, Venus is going to sit in your 1st house, which is going to increase the quality of your life. If you are single, then there is a high possibility that you will be able to attract the right partner. You may get engaged. Singles can get engaged during this time, and you are going to see lot of improvement in your lifestyle. The quality of your lifestyle will be increasing during this time. There is a high possibility that you are going to get a lot of benefits from the foreign countries. You may start your own business during this time. You may start following your passion, and during this time your passion will start paying off. So this is a good time where you are going to see that you may travel during this time. You may invest on your own self, because the problem with the Pisces people is that they can't say no to people and they always think about others. It is seen that they earn money, but spending money on themselves is a problem. Self-love is missing in them because Venus planet, usually Pisces people have a weak Venus planet. But in this year till 31st of May, Venus is going to sit in your 1st house, where Venus is going to give you the quality life. You will be able to enjoy your own hard-earned money, and this is a time where you are going to focus on your own self more. You will be going to do something that is going to make you happy. That is the best part which is going to happen with the Pisces people in 2020. Increase in confidence, high possibility that you may get your stuck money back. After 14th of May, there's a high possibility you are going to travel to more religious place. You will become more religious. You are going to focus more on your own self. This is a time where you are going to get liberty. It is seen that the Pisces people always, you have a lot of fears inside yourself, and you want everyone to be there together, and due to which sometimes you lost your liberty also. So 2025 after 14th of May, it is seen that you will be going to get your liberty back. You are going to enjoy your life. You are going to focus more on your own self, and self-love being seen after 14th of May in you. It is suggested during this time you are going to add something new. You are going to add the new knowledge, wisdom. You are going to get new opportunities also during this time. Your hard work, whatever the hard work you have done in the past few years, your hard work is going to pay off during this problem in the married life, then there are high possibility that during this time you are going to get a lot of clarity about the relationship. If you are into a toxic relationship, then this is a time where you will decide to move on in your life, and you can file separation, file for the separation also, because during this time you will be more energetic and you will be taking a step to protect yourself. You are going to do something for your own self. So during this time you will, if you are in a toxic relationship, then there is a high possibility you will decide to move on in your life from that toxic relationship. This is the time your income sources will increase. There will be a multiple sources of income. You are going to get a lot of income from multiple sources, and you are going to get sudden financial gains also during this time. If you are looking to settle down away from your birthplace or in a different country and you want to apply for a PR, or you are looking for a permanent residency, then this is a good time. Take the actions. There are high possibility that it will be planet will be aligned in such a way that the work will be completed successfully during. If you are looking for a government job, then this is a good time. Apply for it. There are high possibility you will be able to clear it. If you are looking to change your career or you are looking to change your job, then this is also a good time. If you want to start something new, you want to start a new business, then this year is a good time to start your new business also. To overcome the challenges during this time and to enhance your more luck, then you should start doing the remedies from the day you have seen this video, because you should always be prepared for 2025. When planets are aligned in such a way, then you should also activate your planet to get the positive impact. What you have to do, whenever you have seen this video, from next day you should start doing this remedy. First, offer red flower to Lord Shiva daily, chant Durga Chalisa, add the rose water in your bathing water, and if possible start feeding cows bananas daily or every Thursday. This is going to help you out to enhance your luck for 2025 and start preparing for it. Rahu impact on you will not be so good in 2025. So for that, start wearing Chandan bracelet from today onwards only, whenever you are seeing this video. If you like the video, then share this video with your loved one. And still you have any questions, then you can send me on the comments. I'm going to help you out. Thank you and have a great day.